Hi, good day. My name is Julio Vargas, and today I'm going to make this small tutorial to tell you about the Thrive Architect themes. This platform has all of these 275 landing page that you can use to promote your affiliated products. You can install this on your website, and you can retarget in your visitor using your Facebook pixel code that you can put in this landing page. See, the person wants to visit your website, and all of this traffic that you're going to receive, you can retargeting when you installing your pixel code in the landing page of the website that you're going to build using the Thrive Architect. For example, today I'm going to buy one license that is $67 US. If you want 5 licenses, you have to pay $97 US. And if you want the membership, you have to pay $19 US monthly. In this single license, they said that install Thrive Architect on one website, include all the features, 275 landing page, one full year of support, and ultimate free updates. Here I am in my PayPal account, and I bought already this theme, and the process is started. I want to make one new tutorial in the next week where I'm going to show you how you can use this in your website. So the same for your purchasing Thrive Architect. Here are where I can download. Here are the steps. Have all the training that you're going to need. Have this small video.
Along as we build this page that you see right here. This is our goal layout. We will build this. We won't make a pixel perfect replica of this, but we'll build this layout. The idea is that once you have followed along and built this layout, you will understand all of the most important things you need to know about how to best use Thrive Architect. So this won't cover every single detail and every single feature, but it's the fastest way to get to an intermediate level of use and get to know the ins and outs of how to use Thrive Architect. So with that said, let's get started right away. What we do is we go to a new page and we open that page in Thrive Architect. So you'll see a big button that says Edit with Thrive Architect. I've already clicked that and it takes us to this screen. So here you can see this is our page. It's currently empty, and this is just a normal WordPress page, and this frame around it is Thrive Architect. We can start building stuff in here, right? We can grab content from here and drop it into the content area of our theme and start building stuff. But I don't know what your website looks like, and so that we're on an even footing, what we'll do instead, and this is the first thing we'll learn about Thrive Architect right away, is we'll load a landing page template. To do that, you click on this icon right here, and this brings up all of the templates you can choose from. So here let's go to blank, and again, of course, you can choose any of these and start working with them. It's kind of a shortcut, but to get to learn how to use Thrive Architect, let's go with the blank page. Let's choose the blank styled page and choose this template. Now this will load a simple landing page kind of on top of your, or it will basically ignore your WordPress theme and load just a landing page for you to work with. And that's what we have right here. So you see that we have the background color if you just want to set a specific flat color for something, you can do that here. And you can add layers of stuff. So you can have multiple layers of backgrounds with transparency and things like that. What we want is an image layer. So we click on Choose Image, and that opens the WordPress Media Manager. And then I have this background image already uploaded here. And make sure that I choose full size here, and then insert that into the post. I can also choose which part of the image this should be kind of anchored to. I'm going to leave that centered, and then I'm going to click on Apply.
Here there are more training page. For example, here I download the software is in this zip file. I'm going to install in one of my website later. And here you have all of these. Get discount for this offer, member navigation, everything that you need. The Thrive University, all the product tutorials, webinars, everything you can make with this. The second step is activate the plugin on your website, and the third is install the and activate your products. You can build some landing page. You're going to start making some promotion on Google Ads, Facebook Ads. When you install your pixel code in all of your campaign, you're going to retarget all of these persons that are going to visit your ads. And this is how the affiliation offer going to give some money to you. Many of the affiliated marketers are using this thing in the website and are getting a lot of results. And thank you, have a good day. We're going to continue with the next week. God bless you.